Any thoughts about that experience inside the inspection where damages are kind of discovered with the homeowner?
So when you're like, if you're in a crawl space, typically the homeowner's not going with you.
That's right.
You know, they were probably in there and they found what was going on, but they're not going in there twice. You know, the crawl spaces and for many homes, that's a scary place to go anyway. But so your video is going to be huge there rather than these folks that go in and just take a bunch of pictures. They have no idea what they're looking at. It's like the roofers. You know, they show them a pipe boot. They've never been on their roof. They don't know what that is. Especially maybe the wife doesn't know anything about a roof. I don't know. There's a lot of husbands that don't know anything about a roof. But you know, you're going to take that video and explain to them what's going on. But let's just say that I'm down in the basement. I've had them both there. We go through the inspection and then I turn to him and say, "Hey, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do an inspection video for our production department. And so you guys are more than welcome to watch me do this." You know they're going to because I've never seen this. And I'm gonna take my phone and I say, "So I'm at 123 Easy Street with Bob and Mary Smith. I'm about to go through the inspection video." So the very first thing is Bob had noticed leaking going over here and leaking over here. And again, you're gonna go through the entire process and you're going to let them know that what we're going to do is we're going to hand this back to our production department. Your production department may never see that video,
Sure.
but here's the one reason why we do it is nobody else will. Here's what's even worse is your sales reps won't because they're lazy. You know, we at Top Rep, we say sales reps are lazy, but I'm a champion. So how many champions do you have on your team? Because champions are going to do what others won't take the time to do.
That's right.
And so, you know, it's things like that that just add to the value. Now, you did also mention that there are customers that like to downplay the problem.
Oh, they all do, right? Until they sign up and then they say, well, let me show you these other things that we didn't talk about.
That's right. And
Yeah.
so when you get down there, you mention to them that, hey, you had us out. So obviously there's a bigger problem than what you're putting on. What else is going on? You know, you wouldn't have us out if you just saw a crack. You know, what else is going on? Have you seen water come through? And whatever the case may be, there's something else. There's something that scares them, and we need to find out what that is.
Hmm.
I'm not saying bring out the urgency, bring out the fear, and then just pluck that all day long. That is really kind of old and played out. You
Sure.
know, selling on fear is what poorly trained sales reps do.
That's right.